Okay, tiny tutorial on physics arrays. Or not arrays, what the hell am I talking about? Let's do physics layers. The matrix. We're doing the matrix. Okay, I'm going to make a plane. It's going to be 10 by 10. And it's going to sit down here. Okay. Now, from my array tutorial that I did just previously, or unless you haven't seen it yet, then coming up, I have this array that creates 50 cubes that use physics and they fall. They're just cubes. And as you see, they all fall and they land on this platform. So what I want to do is we have layers. And I'm going to put this layer, this plane on a layer called, we'll use walls. Now, I am going to set layer. Actually, you know what? Let's go like this. On our loop, let's send random event. Let's do this. 2 events. We're going to have event 1 and event 2, and both at the 0.5 mark. So there's 2 paths this little array can do things with. Copy and paste. So I'm going to run this thing just like that. 1 and 2. So in this guy, we're going to set a layer. We're using walls. I'm going to use interactions. Now with this one, we're using walls and interactions. I'm going to use AI. So if I now hit play, everything runs, everything collides and hits. But if we look, I totally didn't set that right. Wow, is my face red? So on the current, there we go. Changed my own layer 50 times. That's cool. All right, so now if I hit play, and they go and they all fall and they all hit the ground, life is good. All right, and if I look, they're all on random, the 2 random layers, interactions and AI. The ground is on walls. So what do we want to do? I'm going to show you how to use a physics layer. Bloop. Oh yeah, this is also one thing. I'm on gamma. Gamma is crappy. Don't use gamma. When you get on project, first thing you do, put that to linear. All your lighting, all your colors look better. Anywho, physics. What collides with what? We are looking at walls, AI, and interaction. So walls are not going to collide with interactions anymore because I said no. Interactions, they will collide. Where's my interactions? Okay, walls. Where's my interactions to walls? So interactions are here. Interactions to interactions. Almost sounds sexual. Oh yeah, interaction to walls right there. So the other one is to the AI, right? So I'm going to leave the AI on. So AI and walls, which is right here, collide. Interactions and walls don't collide. So now those ones didn't collide because they were on the wrong layer. The rest of them, they're on the right layer. AI. There you have it, right? So physics interactions, great for all kinds of things. You want player to hit certain triggers and stuff like that. That's how you can do it, right? You may want your AI to trigger various things, but not other things. You could manipulate your layers to do all kinds of things. You can also adjust your camera culling mask so you can't see layers, right? Like now I turn that on, we can't see the AI. It's gone. It's magic, right? I mean, I can still see it in this view because that's the scene view. But if I bring this camera over, look, magic, they're gone, right? But if I turn on AI, boop, there they go. So if you want to change views in game, like maybe you can see tracks, maybe you have a special, you know, as they play particles or whatever, and they got tracks all over, and you hit a button and you can add a layer, like, oh, we can see the track layer now, you know, briefly, or whatever the case may be. But that's how you do layers and the physics matrix. Very important. Don't forget about it.